Hello everybody, this is Syam Kumar and you are watching Nice Spoken English. Dear friends, in our last videos, we had discussed all about the use of narration or direct speech and indirect speech. We had discussed thoroughly about the first rule and second rule. In our first rule, we had discussed that if the reporting verb is in present or future tense and the reported speech is in any tense, we cannot change the reported speech or the tense of reported speech at all. In our second rule, we had discussed that if the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech in present indefinite, that can be changed into past indefinite. And if the reported speech is in present continuous, that can be changed into past continuous. And if the reported speech in present perfect, that can be changed into past perfect. Let's come, today we will discuss about the third rule. Rule third. If the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in past continuous and past indefinite, we change the past continuous to past perfect continuous and past indefinite into past perfect. Let's see the rule. If the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in past continuous and past indefinite, we change the past continuous to past perfect continuous and past indefinite into past perfect. Again the rule, if the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in past continuous and past indefinite, we change the past continuous to past perfect continuous and past indefinite into past perfect. Let's have an example. Direct. Nidhi said Neha went to cinema. Nidhi said Neha went to cinema. This direct sentence is in past indefinite. So, in time of making it indirect, we can change into past perfect. Indirect sentence, indirect. Nidhi said that Neha had gone to cinema. Gone to cinema. So, according to the rule and regulation of direct speech, we should remove the inverted comma and the comma after the reporting verb. It is necessary to place the last mark whatever is in the sentence. So here is the full stop. So look, if in direct speech the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech in past indefinite, that can be changed into past perfect. So see, Nidhi said that Neha had gone to cinema. In this way, another example of past continuous direct. Megha said Aarti was dancing. So this is another sentence. Megha said Aarti was dancing. This sentence is in past continuous. The reported speech is in past continuous. So we will change into past perfect continuous. In indirect we can write Megha said that Aarti had been dancing. This is in past perfect continuous. So my dear friends, let's have an attention. In the third rule of narration, if the reporting verb is in past tense, remember it that we can change into indirect if the reporting verb is in past tense. We cannot change the reported speech if the reporting verb is in present or future tense. So pay attention here. If the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in past continuous and past indefinite, we change the past continuous to past perfect continuous and past indefinite into past perfect. Following are some example. Nidhi said Neha went to cinema. The direct sentence is like so. Then we can make it indirect. Nidhi said that Neha had gone to cinema. This is in past indefinite and this is in past perfect. Again in another sentence, Megha said Aarti was dancing. In indirect, Megha said that Aarti had been dancing. This direct sentence is in past continuous and we have changed into past perfect continuous. So देखंतु नेरेशन रो 3 नंबर रूल, जोठी जदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रे थाए, ओबियसली जदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रे थाए तेबे ही आमे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रो टेंस रे परिवर्तन करि परिबा, अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट डू इट. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जदि प्रेजेंट किंबा फ्यूचर टेंस रे थाए तेबे आमे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रो टेंस रे कोनोसी परिवर्तन करि परिबा नाही. आम्भे माने यह रूल 1 रे डिस्कशन करि सारिछु. रूल 2 रे आमे डिस्कशन करि सारिथिलु जे जदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रे थाए एवं रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट, प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस एवं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट थाए तेबे इनडायरेक्ट कला बेले प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट को प्रेजेंट पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट, प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस को पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस एवं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट को पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस रे आमे चेंज करिथु. तापरे तृतीय रूल हैला जदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रे थाए एवं रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट रे थाए तेबे ताकू आमे इनडायरेक्ट कला बेले पास्ट परफेक्ट रे बदलाइबा एवं जदि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस रे थाए तेबे आमे ताकू इनडायरेक्ट कला बेले पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस रे बदलाइबा. आशा करूछि आपण एटा बुझी सारिथिबे. याकू थरे दुई थरे देखंतु, जदि दरकार यार स्क्रीनशॉट नियंतु, निश्चित भाव रे आपण बुझी पारिबे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो पेशेंसली. प्लीज लाइक, share, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.